Sterile manufacturing, aseptic practices. Content. Purpose: cleanroom gowning guidelines, laundry requirements, aseptic practices. Takeaway. Closing remarks. Purpose. The purpose of the presentation is to maintain sterile manufacturing conditions by ensuring appropriate gowning practices to prevent contamination, managing reusable garments through qualified laundry processes, following aseptic techniques to maintain sterile production environments. These measures aim to protect product quality, ensure regulatory compliance, and reduce contamination risks. Cleanroom gowning guidelines. Location. Gowning must take place in designated change rooms with cleanliness grades suitable for maintaining gown integrity. Restrictions. Outdoor clothing, including socks, except personal underwear, is prohibited in change rooms leading directly to grade B and C areas to prevent contamination. Facility suits. Operators should wear single or two-piece facility trouser suits covering the full length of the arms and legs. Facility socks covering the feet must be worn before entering the grade B and C change rooms. Ensure that facility suits and socks are free from contamination risks before use. Laundry requirements. Processes. Reusable cleanroom clothing should be cleaned in segregated laundry facilities using qualified cleaning processes. These processes must prevent contamination or damage to fibers, which could lead to particle shedding. Inspection. After cleaning, garments must be visually inspected to ensure they are free from damage and visibly clean before packing. Risk management. Laundry facilities must be managed to prevent cross-contamination. Avoid improper handling that could damage fibers or increase shedding risks. Qualification. Establish and monitor maximum allowable laundry and sterilization cycles for garments as part of a garment qualification program. Aseptic practices. Activity restrictions. Non-critical activities should be minimized in clean areas to avoid unnecessary contamination risks. During aseptic operations, personnel movements should be slow, controlled, and methodical to reduce particle shedding. Airflow management. Operators must prevent disruptions to unidirectional airflow, first air, in critical zones. Movement near critical zones should be restricted to avoid contamination from lower quality air. Airflow visualization studies should be reviewed regularly and included in training programs. Gloves and garments. Gloves should be disinfected frequently during operations. Damaged gloves and garments must be replaced immediately to maintain product sterility. Gowning protocols. Operators entering grade A or B areas must gown into clean, sterilized garments, including eye coverings and masks, each time they enter. Define the maximum time a sterilized gown can be worn during a shift as part of the garment qualification program. Takeaway notes. 1. Adherence to protocols. Strict compliance with gowning and aseptic guidelines is essential to prevent contamination. 2. Risk mitigation. Reduce risks through proper laundry processes, garment inspections, and movement control in critical zones. 3. Training and awareness. Operators should receive thorough training in aseptic techniques and airflow visualization. 4. Inspection and monitoring. Regularly inspect garments for cleanliness and damage, and enforce defined laundry and sterilization cycles. 5. Continuous improvement. Continuously review and refine aseptic practices to enhance sterility assurance and meet regulatory standards. Closing remarks. Sterile manufacturing relies heavily on robust aseptic practices, disciplined adherence to protocols, and consistent training. By implementing these guidelines, organizations can achieve operational excellence, safeguard product quality, and protect patient safety. Each team member plays a crucial role in maintaining the sterility of the production environment. Together, we can uphold the highest standards of sterile manufacturing and meet the challenges of this critical field with confidence. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com.